Hi there, welcome to Shahi's Easy English and I'm your teacher Shahi. Today we will be starting a series of lessons based on a syllabus. Syllabus is used for a course. Okay, the teachers follow the syllabus to provide lessons in a certain order. So this is what we will be doing. We will be doing Entry 1 ESOL. And the topic today is greetings. Okay. This means when we see somebody, we greet them. We say, hello, hi, how are you? So we will be looking at different ways to greet, to respond, when, and also why. I will be explaining all this to you. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first topic is when you first meet somebody. When you first meet somebody, you might say, hi, I'm Shahi. The person might say, hi, I'm Salma. You say, pleased to meet you, lovely to meet you, or nice to meet you. Okay, this is the first time when you see somebody and you say to them. So you can't say to them again when you see them later, lovely to meet you, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you. Okay, you can only use this the first time you meet that person. Okay, number 2 is for friends you already know, people you already know in your life. So, but when I say, how are you? I usually just say it on the phone. Most of the time. Okay, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm alright, thanks. Okay, or we can say, how's it going? How's it going? Which means, how is your life going? How's it going? It's going good, thanks. And you? Yeah, all good, thanks. Or you can say, how are you doing? How are you doing? You might have heard this watching Friends. How are you doing? Right? So what's the reply to how you doing? You can say, I'm alright, thanks, and you? I'm alright, thanks, and you? Okay? The next one is, you alright? Are you alright? This is what it means. But we just say, you alright? Yeah, you? Yeah, I'm alright, thanks. Other responses for, are you alright? Some people say, yeah, I'm surviving. I'm okay, I'm not so good. Or they might say, can't complain. Are you alright? Can't complain. Okay. So in this one, when we said, are you alright? The intonation goes up, the sound goes up. Are you alright? Yeah, you. But when we're asking a friend if we think that they are sad, okay, we might say to them, are you okay? Are you alright? Is everything alright? Okay, because we don't want to say, what's your problem? Because that might sound rude. Or we can say, what's the matter? Is everything okay? Alright, so if you're worried about your friend and you see them and they are sad, you can say these things to them. Okay, so the third and final category is when you haven't seen your friend for a long time. What do you say to them? You can say, hey, how are you? Long time. How have you been? Okay, you can say all these things to them. But you have to be enthusiastic. You can't say, hey, how are you? Long time. Haven't seen you for ages. Okay? You can also say, oh, it's so lovely to see you again. How have you been? Okay. Or if you met them and you are going, okay, you can say, it was so lovely to see you again. We should do this again sometime. Okay, and the other ones are good morning or just morning, afternoon or good afternoon, and good evening, which is after 6 o'clock, and good night. When you are saying bye to somebody, then it's good night. Okay, so that means you're going to go to sleep now. Good night. Anyway, I'm sure you found this really helpful. And remember, native speakers don't say, I'm fine, thanks, and you. Okay, that's the reason why I've put all this detail in for you, so you don't say, I'm fine, and you. Okay, please don't say it. You will look silly. Anyway, hope you are well in this time. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, then please subscribe to this channel for some more lessons. So next week on Thursday, we will have another lesson. And I think it's nice to share the lessons with other people. So if you know somebody who can benefit from it, then please share it. Don't forget to check out the links below to help you improve your English. Hope you have a wonderful, safe day. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. And a big thank you to everybody for helping me reach 200 subscribers, which is amazing for me. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Take care, please. Stay at home if you can. Bye for now. See you next week.